Welcome to English Today with Sir V, Series 1. Series 1 is a collection of exemplar lessons based from the most essential learning competencies in Grade 8 English, Quarter 3 in particular. In Lesson 10, you learned how to describe, define, or explain the topic of a paragraph convincingly by using supporting details like facts, statistical data, examples, opinions, reasons, or personal experiences. In this lesson, you will learn how to wrap everything up with a clinching sentence. Specifically, this lesson will highlight the 3 important purposes of a clinching sentence as well as techniques on how to create an effective clinching sentence. To begin, let's think back of the hamburger. The bottom bun of a hamburger helps hold the ingredients together. It works with the top bun to keep the meat, cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce from falling on the floor. Similarly, the clinching sentence of a paragraph helps hold the supporting details together. It works with the topic sentence to keep the supporting details from falling apart. Further, the clinching sentence wraps everything up. Let's discuss this further. If we compare the clinching sentence to a topic sentence, the clinching sentence is no different. The topic sentence is often the first sentence of a paragraph. The clinching sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. While the topic sentence introduces the main idea of a paragraph, the clinching sentence completes the paragraph with the same idea. If the topic sentence compels the reader to keep reading, the clinching sentence leaves the reader with a lasting impression. Taking everything into account, the topic sentence and clinching sentence match. They should match in order to make a good paragraph. A good paragraph begins with a good topic sentence and ends with a good clinching sentence. What does a clinching sentence do? A clinching sentence has one of these 3 important purposes. Number 1, to restate the main idea. Number 2, to offer a suggestion. And number 3, to make a prediction. Let's analyze a sample paragraph. One of the purposes of a clinching sentence is to restate the main idea of the paragraph. For example, in that paragraph, the topic sentence is, people play instruments for different reasons. The clinching sentence is, there is clearly not just one main reason that people play a musical instrument. The clinching sentence is a restatement of the topic sentence. So how can you make an effective restatement? One technique is to use different words. To do that, find synonyms for important words and concepts in your topic sentence and replace them in your clinching sentence. For example, The phrase different reasons in the topic sentence is changed to not just one main reason in the clinching sentence. Another one is the word instruments, which is too general in the topic sentence, is clearly described as a musical instrument in the clinching sentence. But it is not necessary to change every single word, such as prepositions like for, in, at, on, above, over, and others, or articles like a, on, and the. Spend your time focusing on words or phrases that receive the most emphasis, like those that are central to the points you're making. The restatement in your clinching sentence should be different from the topic not only in its words but also in its structure. That means, to make an effective restatement, you have to use different sentence length. That is, from a short sentence in the topic sentence to a long sentence in the clinching sentence, or from a long sentence in the topic sentence to a short sentence in the clinching sentence. For example, noticeably from the example, the topic sentence is shorter than the clinching sentence. The last technique which can help you make an effective restatement is to use different sentence style. For example, let's analyze a sample sentence. Another purpose of a clinching sentence is to offer a suggestion. A suggestion is a recommendation, an advice, or a warning against a possibility about the consequences of the point or opinion presented in the topic sentence. For example, in that paragraph, the topic sentence is, snorkeling can be one of the most amazing adventures you can ever take part in. The clinching sentence is, if you want to have one of the most beautiful experiences that anyone can ever have, you should try snorkeling for a day. The topic sentence introduces snorkeling as an amazing adventure, and the clinching sentence offers a suggestion that the reader should try snorkeling. The third purpose of a clinching sentence is to make a prediction. A prediction is a statement about what will likely happen to the point or opinion in the future if it doesn't change. For example, the topic sentence in the paragraph is, the menu at Fresh Market, one of the newest restaurants in Quezon City, consists of only 5 main dishes that are simple but very delicious. The clinching sentence is, if you eat a meal at Fresh Market, I am sure you will enjoy it tremendously. The topic sentence informs us that the menu at Fresh Market has only 5 dishes and they are very delicious. The concluding sentence makes a prediction that you'll enjoy this place very much if you eat there. As a final note, the clinching sentence in the paragraph should therefore convey a sense of completeness and closure, as well as a sense of the lingering possibilities of the topic sentence, its larger meaning, and its implications. After all that is said and done, an effective restatement includes all variations in word choice, vocabulary, and perhaps more than anything else, sentence structure. Now, let's answer the practice exercise. Directions. Identify the purpose of the following clinching sentences. The topic sentence is, the reading summer camp in May is a special event everyone should attend. The clinching sentence is, for a little summer fun in May, the reading summer camp is worth a visit. What does the clinching sentence do? Correct. To restate the topic sentence. Let's have another one. The topic sentence is, I have noticed that the greatest problem facing public schools is large class size. The clinching sentence is, if we wish to improve the level of education in public schools today, we must reduce class size. What does the clinching sentence do? Correct. To offer a suggestion. Here's the last one. Topic sentence. Burnout is a potential problem for hard-working and persevering students to fight. Clinching sentence. When a workload is manageable, a student's immunity to burnout is strengthened. What does the clinching sentence do? Correct. To make a prediction. Now, test yourself. You did a lot of work today. Good job!